Hello, everyone out there. I hope each and everyone is doing great. I hope you're doing great. If you have not subscribed, I would like you to do so now. And don't forget to like this video and also don't forget to share. I'll be grateful if you can be able to do that. Welcome again. We are continuing our math journey, and the journey is to demystify. Yes, we want to demystify any form of complexity that relates to mathematics. We want to make mathematics as an easy subject so that when we come to any crossroads where math is involved, we are not scared, but we will be what? Able to relate and use the tools that we have gathered here to navigate the problem that is presented to us, or the quagmire that is presented to us. Today, we are going to look at standard form. We're going to look at standard form. And in looking at standard form, there are two things that we can consider. Whether we are looking at a whole number, whether we are looking at a whole number, or whether we are looking at, a decimal, or whether we're looking at a decimal number. Yes, whether we're looking at a decimal number. Yes, whether we're looking at a decimal number. Now, let's begin first with the whole number. So let's take a number like 42. It's a whole number. And don't forget, in our previous lessons, I did mention that when you have a whole number, every time the decimal point of that whole number is at the back of it. It's right here. So this 42 can be written as 442.0, right? There's a decimal point right there, always behind, but we usually do not write it. It's the same thing. It's the same thing, right? Now, to be able to convert, right, for us to be successful at converting this, you know, to convert it into standard form, what we will do is to move the decimal point, to our left, to our left. So what do we have? So far we have 42.0. We are saying that 42.0 should be moved to our left. So it's going to be 1, 2. And that gives us 0.42, like this, which is the same as 0.42. Now remember, how many times did we move it? This was the first move. Like, we did 1, so this is 1. And then we did 2, which is 2. So we're going to multiply that. We're going to multiply the 42. We're going to have it as 0.42 times 10. Yes, times 10 to the exponent of 2. Why did we do that? Because we moved it 2 times. Why do we have 10 squared? Because we moved it 2 times. Why not negative? It's not negative because it was a whole number. If it's a whole number, the exponent is not what? Negative. The exponent is not negative. On the other hand, if we have a decimal number, you know, say 0.01061, what we will do first is to move decimal point to our right. Move decimal point to our right. How to move the decimal point to our right? How do we do that? What we are going to do is have 0.01061 to our right. It means that we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. I would like us to take it again. It doesn't look neat at all. Let's do it very well. Let's take our time. So we are having 0.01061. We're saying that we're going to move it. This is the first one, right? This is the second one. This is the third, the fourth, and it is the fifth one. So basically, what we are having is 0, 0, 1 because we removed it right here. So it's gone 0, 0, 1, 0, 6, 1. All right. Now the point is here. We don't have to indicate it. The point is already here, but we don't have to indicate it. But remember, we did it 5 times. We usually will not write, like for example, if you have 42, like we saw, like 42, we normally do not write 042, right? We write 42. So same way, we will write this as 1061 and ignore this. We ignore this, right? We ignore it. So 1061, we're going to multiply by 10 to the power what? 5. But this time it has to be negative. Why negative? Because we moved it to the right. We move to the right, it's negative. We move to the left, it is positive. It is positive. I hope this also helped. We've been able to discover that no matter the number you are presented, no matter the real number that you are presented with, you can be able to rewrite that number into standard form. And how do we know we are in standard form? Is when we are multiplying by things like this, we're multiplying by that, or we are multiplying by this. It lets us know that we have written the number or converted the number into standard form. Okay, so we'll end here. We'll end here. But I'll come to you again. I'll come to you again. Take care. Take care. Bye.